Welcome back with another video. In this video we are about to learn how to count number of entries and blank entries in our Excel sheet. So let's start. Let's suppose I want to calculate number of entries in G column. So I write here the formula is equal to count and enter. So here we can see that there are 99 entries in our G column. Let's suppose I want to calculate number of blank entries in our F column. So I put here formula is equal to count blank and enter. Here we can see that there are no blank entries in our F column. Thank you very much.